Université africaine Franco-Arabe, UPAFA, Mali Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Company Limited. We are proud to announce a landmark collaboration agreement between UPAFA and Parrot Canada Visa Consultant Company Limited, unlocking world-class academic opportunities for students across Africa and beyond. Through this partnership, students can now access a wide range of programs at Bachelor, Master, and PhD levels, combined with study abroad pathways, scholarship opportunities, and complete visa guidance. Programs offered: Bachelor, Master and AMP, PhD available. Management Information Systems, General Computing, Economy, Corporate and Market Finance, Business Administration and Aviation Business Administration in International Marketing, Maintenance, Networks and Telecommunications, Marketing and AMP, Public Relations, Hotel Management and Tourism, Supply Chain Management and Logistics, Business Management and Administration, Accounting, Economic and Financial Analysis, Islamic Finance, Home Economics, Finance Bank, Transport Logistics, Customs Transit, Project Planning and Management, Finance, Information and Communication Technology, ICT, Computer and Multimedia Networks, Data Science, Catastrophic Risk Management and Adaptation to Climate Change, Risk Management and Insurance, Digital and Customers, Portfolio Management, Cash Management, Organization Management, Economy of Inspiration, Economics of Resilience, Business Management, Public Administration, Audit, Literature History, Civilization and Heritage, Legal Sciences, Politics and Administration, Jurisprudence, Science of Education and Training, Translation and Interpretation, Journalism and Communication, Sociology and Anthropology, Social Work and Community Development, Human Resources Management, Philosophy, International Development, Private and Public Law, International Law, Criminology, Management and Political Science, Theology, Islamic Sciences, International Relations and Diplomacy, Human and Social Sciences, Comparison of Religion, Islamic Philosophy, Business Law and Taxation, Geography, Islamic Theology, Literature and Language, English, Chinese, Russian, Spanish, and African languages, Surveying and Geomatics Sciences, Geotechnical and Pavement Engineering, Civil Engineering, Construction Technology, Road and Highway Engineering, Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Water and Sanitation Engineering, Geology, Forestry Sciences, Agronomy and Animal Husbandry, Energy, Mining and Survey, Mining Engineering, Oil and Gas Engineering, Architecture, Food Science, GIS and Urban Planning, Agri-Business Management, Construction Management, Land Management and Administration, Mechanical Engineering, Automotive Manufacturing, Industrial Engineering, Biotechnology, Art and Design, Technology, Graphic Design, Fashion Design, Textile and Sewing Technology, Meter, Biodiversity and Conservation, Environmental Management, Thermal Engineering, Energy and Renewable Energy, Real Estate Valuation and Property Management, Biomedical Technology, General Medicine, Health Services Management, Public Health, Human Nutrition, Epidemiology, Forensic Medicine, Community Health, clinical psychology and guidance, biomedical laboratory sciences, ultrasound, medical laboratory sciences, nursing, pharmacy, pathology, orthopedic surgery, radiology, gynecology and obstetrics, mental health, clinical bacteriology. Why this partnership matters? Direct access to an extensive portfolio of programs at all academic levels. Scholarship opportunities including partial and full funding for eligible students. Comprehensive student visa application support for study abroad. International academic mobility and exchange opportunities. Contact us today to apply or learn more. Infos at visaconsultantcanada.com or visaconsultantcanada.com. Together, we are shaping the future of global education. Your future starts here. Whether you want to climb the corporate ladder, launch your own venture, or become a global industry leader, Portugal offers the programs, environment, and connections you need. Contact us today to start your admission process and secure your place in the next intake. Reach us today. Email infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. WhatsApp +1 431 302 026. Reach us today. Email infos@visaconsultantcanada.com. WhatsApp +1 431 320226. Office location. Address: Town Center Building near Simba Supermarket. Second floor, door F2B, not 22, C. Yarugenge, Kigali, Rwanda. Kigali office contacts: +2507 L3314265, +2507 8121 +2507 808 2650, +507 882 84504. Representative contacts: Hungary, 436 70 305 7547, Kenya, Nairobi, +254 711 80746, Uganda, Kampala, +256 784 54702, China, 86 141 3247 74, Turkey, +90 533 1869 40C 92, USA, 1 567 329 9231, Rwanda, 250 780 273 122, Canada, 1 431 2026, Zambia, postis 9708285, Mozambique, pour FTAs 86 300 312. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to advance your education and career in the US. Apply now to take the next step towards your future. Don't miss out. Start your journey now.